All right, there are several products out there online that are being advertised on Facebook and Instagram with these videos, AI voices and weird stock photos and stock videos or whatever. And they claim to be able to regrow your teeth and gums with some sort of a special product, a soft mineral. It's a bottle of pills. This stuff, you know, they claim that the dental industry doesn't want you to know about this because it'll destroy their businesses. And that's just to get your emotions. That's the scammers trying to seize on your emotions. And you probably don't want to believe me about that, maybe. But that's the truth, that these scammers are trying to make you think, yeah, the dental industry doesn't want us to know about this, so I should go and order it. Don't waste your money on these kind of things. Come on. Like, I'm going to hit play. We'll watch this. I'm going to talk a little bit about this, and then I'll wrap this up because I really didn't want to make this video. I've made other videos about this in the past, and it's all just a bunch of BS.
A world-renowned doctor recently revealed a soft mineral that can rebuild teeth, stop bleeding gums, bad breath, and cavities.
Rebuild teeth?
Teeth can thrive for hundreds of years outside the mouth. But while inside the mouth, they get ruined by eating something as simple as chocolate. Scientists from Harvard University...
Harvard has nothing to do with this.
...who have good teeth have a high population of good bacteria in the mouth.
They just mentioned Harvard, so you think, oh yeah, Harvard, we gotta order it. Don't order it.
Such as toothpaste and mouthwash contain ingredients that can destroy the microbiome in the mouth. Recently,
get a softer toothbrush.
Was discovered that can erase the years of damage done to the oral cavity by these products, resulting in a white, gleaming smile.
But we have a miracle product.
Has been in absolute shock ever since.
Yes, the dental industry.
The billion-dollar dental industry doesn't want people to discover.
Yeah, sure.
As their entire business relies on patients' teeth and gums.
And scammers' entire business is based upon scamming you and trying to trick you into getting your credit card out, giving them your credit card information, and before you know it, you bought something that you think is going to work, and then months later, you can't tell whether it worked or not, but it didn't work. It's not going to work.
Worse and worse. Over 132,000 people are now using this soft mineral to regrow their teeth.
Well, if that's the number of people who actually ordered this, I feel sorry for all of those people.
The Hollywood smile they always dreamed of.
You're not going to get a Hollywood smile by taking pills. It's pills. The pill is not going to come back up with the ingredients and like getting your teeth and regrow. This is like, it's not a fantasy world. We're living in reality. I don't know why I'm yelling at you. You didn't do anything. You're just watching a video. I just feel passionate about this sort of a thing because people get taken for a lot of money.
Remember, this has nothing to do with expensive procedures, medication, implants.
I need like one of those oxygen things right here just so I can breathe.
This soft mineral, click the button below. We have put together a short, free video that shows what this soft mineral is, where to find it, and how to use it. Just imagine no more inflamed bleeding gums or blood taste in the mouth. No more throbbing pain. And
I can imagine.
Never having to cover the mouth or feel embarrassed. And never having to visit a dentist office again.
Again, ever? What are you talking about? You need to go see a dentist. Don't believe this BS. Oh my God. Like, they do this, scammers do, about other medicinal products, and they say you'll never have to visit a doctor's office again. Keep going to see a doctor. And if you're like, I don't trust big pharma, I get it. Pharmaceutical companies, their prices are ridiculous. They make it to where families, to keep family members alive and comfortable and pain-free, and it costs so much per pill, and the insulin costs on. Pharmaceutical companies are terrible. I get that. But this stuff here, give me a break. And I'm going to calm down.
Learn more button below to access the video before it's gone.
All right, and then it goes to the ProDentim website, and it's going to like give you a video there, and it's going to have the progress bar BS that these stupid videos have where you're going to be watching the video. The progress bar is going to be going really fast at the beginning, the start of the video. You're like, oh, this video is going to be like a minute long. It's designed to slow to a crawl. It's designed at the beginning to make you think it's going to be a short video. And then the progress bar slows down, and then it keeps going real slow, and it's going to be a long video. And then it's going to lead, like I said, to a bottle of pills. If you think a bottle of pills is going to regrow your teeth, I mean, I know people always use the phrase, well, I've got a bridge to sell you, but there has to be another phrase other than that. I mean, it's like just absolutely insane. So if you see anything else out there like Dentotonic or Power Bite or all this stuff that claims it can help regrow your teeth and gums, just go speak to a dentist. Keep going to see a doctor. If you're like, I don't trust doctors, well, find one that you do. If you don't trust any doctors, that's not my issue. I want you to stay healthy. I don't want you to waste your money. Again, I don't know why I'm yelling at you. You didn't do anything wrong. So I'm going to go calm down, okay? Hit the like button, comment, subscribe, And please do subscribe rather, because that is something that would really give value to my videos. And yeah, I just made a bunch of videos, so I'm like agitated that I just found another scam, and I was like, I got to make this. So anyway, that's just about all I got. You can't tell. I'm going to go relax tonight. Have a good night.